That's Ben, creator of the Video Editor Starter Pack, and that is the last pack you're going to need to buy for 2024. Let's talk about why. Now here we are in the Video Editor Starter Pack, and we're actually going to find a lot of useful resources right inside the file structure. First thing we're going to talk about is how he gives a template new video folder file. Right, so this whole thing you can duplicate to keep your projects organized. One of the best things you have to do as a video editor or YouTuber is keep your projects organized. And Ben has it all laid out perfectly here for you to keep your project files, footage, audio, graphics, and more all organized for a single project in a central location. Did you like that shape transition? You can actually find that and a bunch of other glitch effects and texture grains all right here in the creative assets in the textures folder in the Video Editor Starter Pack. Not only that, he has tons of sound effects for you to use to level up your edit. Also, an easy to install preset for you to put right into Premiere Pro to use a bunch of extra resources to help elevate your edits. One of the coolest parts about the Video Editor Starter Pack that not a lot of other things have is copyright-free music. Copyright-free music is one of the hardest things as a video editor to find to help make sure your edits go smoothly, and Ben here has quite a few that you can use in your edits. Now, Ben has a lot of different resources in the motion graphic templates folder as well, including titles, which my favorite one is right there. But alongside that, right, we have a subscribe button and so much more to add to your edits thanks to this Video Editor Starter Pack. And then, of course, there are light leaks and gradients, and there are so many that, like, the gradients part for sure, like, man, it's gonna be so hard to like go through all of these to show you all 12, so we're not gonna do that. The same with the light leaks, man. There are 6 different light leaks in here, but what I can tell you is each one is able to help you elevate your edits in a new and unique way than you would have before. Now, here we are in Premiere Pro, and what we're going to be doing in Premiere Pro is showing you how easy it is to transport all of the Video Editor Starter Pack elements into Premiere Pro. Now, when you're starting out, all you have to do is go to this little icon right here, install motion graphic template, and you can get all the motion graphic templates from the Video Editor Starter Pack put right in here. But what I love about it is it literally is just drag and drop. So watch us overlay it onto this footage right here, and boom. It should slide right in. Super simple, super easy. But here is the thing you and I will notice, right? Like, oh, hey, like we don't maybe like that. It's that white over that text. Like it needs to look a little bit better. All we have to do is simply make sure our layer is selected and click on the edit button. And we can not only increase the size of our words, right? Change the tracking, we can also change the color like it is a normal motion graphics word, right? And so we're literally able to do so much of that in here. On top of that, we got some jitter settings we can play with, along with a flicker setting and all sorts of that stuff. So this is available for each and every motion graphic template that is in the Video Editor Starter Pack. And what I love is they're so easy to manipulate and to change to get to look exactly how you want them to look. Things also in the Video Editor Starter Pack is, of course, the presets. Now, to add presets, you just need to click inside of the effects panel, right click and click import presets, and just select the file and it pops right in. But we're not going to go ahead and do that part right now. I'm just going to show you all the cool stuff that is in here. So in here, we got some color to add contrast, kiwi, all kinds of sort of stuff. So let's pop one of those on there and you can see how, right, we have this color grading that can begin to happen, all because of the Video Editor Starter Pack presets that Ben has popped in there for us. It's super helpful. But not only that, right, in the Video Editor Starter Pack, we just have more than color. We pop out of color, we have framing as well. And so say we want to add a jump cut in here, right? So we pop that there, and let's say the jump cut we want to be at, let's say 50% scale. So we're gonna pop that there. So we're gonna pop out, ready, and slide in by word, and then thanks to the preset, we have a nice little jump cut all done for us thanks to the preset. No more having to mess around with the effects controls panel. The literal presets do it for you. This is so incredibly helpful in making sure your edits go smoothly. Dope quick zoom in animations, right? So let's pop that in there and you guys can be able to see the coolness of that. Right, like a quick zoom in effect is beautiful and easy. It also has a quick zoom out effect. You can slide in from left, right, bottom, all that sort of stuff to help make your edits pop. And then also there's some cool stylized animations in there and just stuff like that. Like we have some chromatic aberrations thrown in there, some drops, shadows, and different gradients that we can kind of pop in there. So let's pop one of those on there and see what happens. Oh my gosh, it's a purple screen, right? It literally makes a gradient for us, right? Because that's what these are. And so not only do we have those gradient files that Ben uploaded into the video editor starter pack for us, if you don't want to actually grab the video file, look at that. We made a little gradient that's not moving, right? But it's just simply there for us to use. Nice and easy and ready to go, right? So if you just need a gradient screen, that is in the video editor starter pack for you to use. Now, the video editor starter pack for all of that is $75, but you can actually get a discount using code The Story of Craft and my affiliate link in the description of this video below. Now, I want to be real. Ben is a friend, but he did not pay me for any of this. He generously offered an affiliate link when I told him I was making a product review video. And I'm going to be incredibly honest with you because I believe in being 100% transparent. And one of the things I want to let you know is I'm not endorsing this product because Ben is a friend. I'm endorsing this product because it's genuinely good. It's genuinely a great way to elevate your edits and do some incredibly cool things that you've even seen in this video already. So what are you waiting for? Do yourself a favor and get the video editor starter pack so that you can elevate your edits now and save yourself so much time, because when I was a brand new video editor, time was one of the hardest factors for me, right? Because I had to spend all my time learning how to do all these different effects and make things look really, really cool. Guess what? The video editor starter pack does all of that for you for $75. Should you still learn the skills in Premiere Pro to do all of it without it? 100%. Absolutely. Not going to say you shouldn't. But when you're just getting started and you just need to get edits done fast, guess what? This preset pack is really great to help you out. And I want to continue to help you out. How? By you clicking right here so that you can keep learning.